The first FIR in Madhya Pradesh related to the Epstein file controversy has been registered in Jabalpur. Executive Engineer Shailendra Singh Kaurav filed a complaint at Omti police station. The complaint said that AI-generated images were posted on social media platform X from an Indian Youth Congress handle. These images allegedly showed fake posters with objectionable content about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Police have registered a case against an unknown person under Section 197A of BNS. Officials said that the matter is serious and under investigation. Cyber experts may also be involved in the probe. Politics in Madhya Pradesh has heated up before the budget session. PCC Chief Jitu Patwari has written a letter to Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. In the letter, he demanded the removal of 3 ministers from the state cabinet. Patwari questioned the government's morality and accountability. He asked the Chief Minister to take action before the governor's address in the assembly. He called the upcoming address an illusion of numbers. Patwari also raised concern about the state financial condition and rising debt. He accused the government of ignoring democratic values and failing to maintain transparency in governance. At the National Researcher Meet in the state capital, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav made a humorous remark about research and politics. He said that research has become so complex today that even scholars sometimes struggle to understand it. Sharing his own experience, he joked that sometimes even he cannot fully understand his own PhD. He added that society often thinks politics and PhD together are a double problem. People assume that a politician cannot do serious academic research. His speech created laughter in the hall. The Chief Minister said research should be simple and useful for society. During the 301 mass wedding ceremony at Bageshwar Dham, Pandit Dhiren Shastri addressed a large gathering. Over 1 lakh Hanuman Chalisa recitation were organized on Thursday. Shastri said chanting God's name alone is not enough to protect religion. He said people must keep both Mala and Bhala together. He added that followers must step out of temples to protect faith. He announced that after 12 countries, Bageshwar Dham will now form a Sundarkan group in America. This year, such groups will also start in 18 European countries. Girls will also be trained in self-defense like judo and karate. A protest took place at NMIMS College in Indore's Gandhinagar area on Thursday. Members of a Hindu organization reached the campus and opposed a Valentine's Day program. They claimed that the event included inappropriate activities. After receiving information, Gandhinagar police reached the college. The police stopped the program and tried to calm the protesters. However, the group demanded that the event be fully cancelled. The situation remains tense for some time but was later controlled. No major violence was reported. The college management has not yet given an official statement about the controversy. The Supreme Court has taken strict action in the controversy over the Netflix film Ghoskhor Pandit. The All India Brahmin Society of Madhya Pradesh welcomed the court's step. State President Pushpendra Mishra said film should unite society, not create division. A bench led by Justice B.V. Nagratna said the movie cannot be released without clearly announcing a new title. The court issued notices to Netflix director Neeraj Pandey, the central government and CBFC. The next hearing is scheduled for February 19th. The issue has sparked debate on freedom of expression and respect for communities. A tragic road accident took place on National Highway 44 in Morena on Thursday evening around 5:30 p.m. A speeding truck hit a motorcycle in the Civil Line police station area. In the accident, a mother-in-law, daughter-in-law and a 2-year-old girl died on the spot. The elderly man riding the bike was seriously injured and taken to hospital. After the accident, the truck driver left the vehicle and ran away. Angry local people blocked the highway in protest. Police reached the spot and tried to control the situation. An investigation is now underway. Madhya Pradesh is seeing mixed weather condition today. Most cities including Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior are experiencing mild winter temperatures. The day temperature is comfortable with clear to partially cloudy skies. Nights are cooler and people may feel light cold, especially in open areas. There is no heavy rain alert at present. Some areas may see light fog in the early morning, which can affect road visibility. Farmers are advised to check local forecasts regularly. Overall, the weather is stable and pleasant across the state, making it a good day for travel and daily activities.